Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how we can enable the earthquake alert in your phone. Also, I wonder why you want to enable the earthquake alerts in your phone. You want to enable the earthquake alert because you want to keep the safety for yourself and your family. So whenever in the case of earthquake, it will alert you before even the earthquake hits. Or maybe there's any other reason for you to turn the earthquake alerts in your phone. So in this video, I'll show you how easily you can do that. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first what you have to do is you have to go to the settings of your mobile phone. As on the top you can see it is written settings and we have a lot of options there. Every option has its own purpose that it performs. So we have to find an option through which we can easily enable the earthquake alerts in your phone. So when you scroll down you will see this option which is safety and emergency. It is available in every Android or Google phone. This option is defaultly installed in every mobile phone which has Android system. So your Android must have it. You just have to go to the settings and then search for this option so you will get it. If you can't get it, then on the search bar you can search for safety and emergency. So once you click on it, you can see we get few options and all these options are related to the matters of emergency and safety. So here we have this option which says earthquake alerts. If you click on it, you can see right now it is turned off. So it indicates that if you turn it on, the mobile will indicate you about upcoming earthquakes even before it hits you. It will indicate you like 5 to 10 seconds before, so you can read it and make yourself secure and get out of your house or building. Through this option, you can keep yourself and your family safe. So once you click on it, right now it is asking you to turn your location on, because if you turn your location on, it will get to know where you are and will give you a notification before the earthquake hits you. So once you turn it on, it will indicate you by just giving you a notification few seconds before the earthquake. I will suggest you to always keep this option open. Because of this option you can keep yourself and your family safe, because in case of earthquake you will get a notification few seconds before and you can make yourself and your family safe, like you can go and hide under something, or maybe you can just go out of the building or house. Through this option you can save lives. So that's how you can easily enable the earthquake alerts in your mobile phone. Also, you have to make sure that you have turned on the location bit. Because of it, it will indicate you where you are, and if there's any emergency in your area, it will indicate you. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can enable the earthquake alerts in your mobile phone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.